We are at Essentia Health in Fargo, North Dakota, and we're about a 140-bed hospital, and we have occupational therapy services on the acute side here, and we work with patients that come into the hospital that have had strokes, motor vehicle accidents, surgeries, services from doctors, nurses, etc., but also rehabilitation services, which we provide in occupational therapy. I'm always amazed by the students that come out of school from North Dakota State College of Science. They come to clinicals here so well prepared. They're compassionate, empathetic. They have great communication skills. The program is so incredible because of the commitment of the instructors. I originally had chosen to go to a 4-year university and kind of felt out of place and lost, and luckily just decided to give Wahpeton a try, and I was amazed by the experience there, the personal touch you get from the instructors, and just true caring and compassion that they show. They really want their students to do well, and they are so engaged with their process during their time. The instruction given to them is top-notch, and I'm so impressed with the quality of students that I receive from them.